How to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix this problem. So the very first thing you can do is try to run Google Chrome as administrator. Just go ahead and right click on Google Chrome shortcut if you have it on your desktop, and then click on run as administrator. If you don't have it on your shortcut on desktop, you might find it on your taskbar. You can do the same thing over here. If you don't see it, simply go to the search bar and search for Chrome. And then from here, right click and then run as administrator. This should work most of the times, but if it doesn't, then you can go to open file location. And then from here, it will get to your shortcut. Again, right click on your shortcut and then go to open file location. Now it's going to take you to chrome.exe. Now all you have to do here is rename it. Right click on it and then click on rename. Instead of chrome.exe, you can do something like chrome1 and then hit enter. It's going to ask you for the permission to rename. Now all you have to do is double click on it and it should run Chrome without any problem. Now all of your shortcuts, your account, and your bookmarks will be over there, so you don't have to worry about anything. This is the one thing that you can do. Now, if none of these processes work, then you are going to have to reinstall Chrome. Go to Edge or any other browser that you have on your device, and then search for Chrome download. Hit enter. And then from here, go to Google Chrome download. Click on this button. It will download an exe file over here on your PC. Now you can find the exe file on your downloads. Go to this file manager, go to downloads. You'll have your Chrome exe file like this. Just double click on it and it's going to reinstall Chrome. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.